Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Bulltrades with Anam. A couple of days ago, I had posted about a stock named Albemarle, and the company has given a stark return in recent few days, few weeks, so to speak. In 2 weeks, the growth is more than 20%. If I can show you on the chart, this is the price increase from the bottom. So it's actually 27%, but yeah, we can take it maybe even at the closing price if we consider it, it's 21%. तो ये प्राइस क्यों बढ़ा और मैंने एक पोस्ट तो इसके बारे में डाला हुआ था आउटलाइनिंग all the things. So if you go on my channel, there's a community post over here which shows, so I keep posting something on and off during market hours, or if you know, if it's not feasible to make videos every now and then, so I just quickly posted a short note on this one. So if you can see, the price was trading at the support level, which you can see over here. Here at this point of time, I had somewhere on maybe 15th of Feb was the day on which I posted it, and now at that point of time, the closing price of this particular on this particular day was 117, and the price on Friday was 142. So you can see there is a close to 20% of increase. I have mentioned this was number one lithium producer in US, had the largest or had the highest revenue in 2023, and lithium and ion battery CAGR is expected to grow by so and so percent in 2030. PE at that point of time was 4.11 only, and the company was trading at its 52 weeks low. So, and you can, a company like this does not stay at a support level for such a long time. It eventually bounced back, and, for us to be able to understand as to when possibly, should we book profits in this particular company and what's the future like for this particular company, maybe we'll just have a quick look at its financials. So, here the annual data, as you can see, the revenue is top notch. It's 9.62 billion, which is the highest ever in the history of Albemarle. And but yeah, they had a sort of a rough expenses going on, and that is the reason why the profitability has been affected, and that is why the net income has been low. But otherwise, if you look at the prospects of this particular company and how the governments across the world, especially in the US, are very much interested in moving forward with lithium powered batteries for EV and for clean energy. You would understand that this company is really moving forward, or this could just be a beginning, but towards a long growth. So one of the reasons why the price for this particular stock was so down was because of soft demand of lithium, especially in an inflated market. The last one and a half 2 years, 2022 23, the lithium prices had gone way down, and there was a because of slowing growth of electric vehicles in China. This is coupled with a broader slowdown in the Chinese economy. So that is the reason why when the lithium prices had gone down. But of course, this is not going to be sustained. It will definitely pick up and pick well, and eventually, these numbers are going to add up into the financial statements of this particular company. Talking about history of Albemarle, initially this was a specialty chemicals company. At present, it operates in three divisions, which is lithium. 68% of its revenue comes from lithium, bromine specialties, as well as catalysts. So, at this point of time, they have partnered with a couple of Southern American corporations to be able to extract lithium, and they collectively produce just over half of world's lithium, while the other half is produced by China. And slowly, if you see the history of the company, a number of acquisitions as well as selling has been mentioned all over. You can quickly go through it, but I will just tell you that the company is in recent years completely focusing on its lithium business. So they have separated their bromine and lithium business altogether in 2015, and they also sold the Chemitel surface treatment business to BASF. Maybe this was not profitable to them. Maybe this was not their focus at that point of time, and they just want to clearly focus on a couple of molecules and technology. And also in 2017, the company acquired this particular tech company, their lithium business, for $145 million. And the company formed a lithium joint venture with Mineral Resources. So, a bunch of things mentioned over here, which clearly indicates that the company is moving towards its goal of being the top producer for lithium. And looking at other key stats of this company, the return on capital employed is very decent for a very capital intensive company like Albemarle. And the book price to earning ratio, in spite of the price going up, is still pretty decent at 10.65. At the time of me making that particular community post, the P was the lowest ever, maybe in, I think, about 5 years or so. And also, if you see lithium battery use growth, I mentioned, I think, 19%, but yeah, it's mentioned 15.2%. Nevertheless, the CAGR growth of lithium ion battery market size is expected to grow in double digits. So eventually here. And also recently, just to make sure that their bottom line is protected, they are making good money, and net income is at par, and it beats the previous years. They are also looking at laying off 300 employees on weak lithium prices. So this news is of January 29. So yeah, I think moving forward, and also you can also look at their Q4 transcripts, as well as their presentation, which they've uploaded on their website. So considering all these factors, we can for sure consider the prices to go up and the numbers to come in and show up eventually in the next maybe 1.5, 2 years, when the EV boom is finally going to take place, and when the inflations are cut off. So what is the what are our targets? We can clearly see that there are few support points over here, which could prove to be a resistance for us, and the price could probably come here, make a pattern of sorts, maybe of this kind, and then eventually move towards the other resistance level. So the another resistance level is over here, and I think the final resistance level is over here. So we need to continuously monitor this particular stock. My understanding is that the company like this should boom in the next 1 or 2 years, and the prices should easily, from its bottom, be able to go all the way till 150%. So the revenue growth is already there. The company is trying all efforts, is doing all whatever they can to make sure that the bottom line is also improved. So yeah, this is my analysis so far. Take your call, do your due diligence, and study this company to be able to make a wise decision. This is not a recommendation. Do like, share, and subscribe, and also comment your thoughts on this particular stock. It will only encourage me to make more such videos. Thank you so much, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.